guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing fine. In today's video, I'll be putting my hair in a low bun using the crochet method, and I'll be playing around with some hair accessories as well. So guys, if you want to see how I was able to achieve this sleek look with my short 4C hair, then definitely keep on watching. So guys, as usual, I am starting off with a freshly shampooed and conditioned hair, and I'm applying jojoba oil to my hair, especially around my edges. So if you guys have seen my previous video on how to sleek down short 4C hair, you will know that I like to work on my hair in sections because, to be honest with you guys, it can be a nightmare to work with short 4C hair. Also, in that video, I explained the steps on how to sleek down short 4C hair in detail. So if you guys haven't seen that video, you can click on the link on the top right hand corner of this video to quickly watch that video, because in this video I'm not going to explain in details how to sleek down short 4C hair. Anyways, before I forget, if you're watching me for the first time or you haven't subscribed already, you guys already know what's up. Please click on the subscribe button and do not forget to click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. Thank you. So guys, I separated my hair into 3 sections, 1 at the back and 2 in front, and instead of the usual straight center part or side parts, I decided to go with a zigzag part in the middle to give this look a little bit of an edge. So I used my rat tail comb to take out a small portion of hair, and I dampened it with water from my spray bottle, and then I went in with my white tooth comb to detangle the hair. After that, I applied Eco Styler gel to the hair, and then I went in with my paddle brush. So guys, I pretty much repeated these steps till I got to the front, using my bristle brush from time to time to make sure that my hair lays flat. Before going ahead to sleek down the hair in the front section, I took out a small portion of hair with my rat tail comb at the sides of my temple, and then I twisted it out of the way. So guys, I applied got to be glued blasting free spray all over my hair, and then I tied it down with a silk scarf, and I left the scarf on my head overnight. So guys, the hair is completely dry, so I went ahead and took out some Kinky Crochet hair, and I stretched it out a little bit, and I used it to twist the hair at the sides of my temple, and then I attached some hair accessories to the tip of the twists. So guys, I'll leave a link to the crochet hair that I'm using in this video in the description box below. My crochet pin to crochet the kinky hair around the bun, and then I kept on doing this till I was satisfied with how full the kinky hair looked on the bun. Then I took out a little bit of the crochet hair to wrap around the bun, and just to give it a neat finished look. This is the finished look. Guys, this style looks absolutely amazing. I am loving the beads. I think this style kind of gives me the Fulani women hairstyle vibes. What do you guys think? Yes, so we have come to the end of this video. If you guys found this helpful, please go ahead and like this video, share this video with your friends, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.